Hello and welcome. In our standard chest X-ray, there are what we call the cardiophrenic sulci and the costophrenic sulci. So a sulci for plural, means a space or a crevice. A cardiophrenic sulcus, one on each side, is the space between a cardiac border and the hemidiaphragm on the same side. A costophrenic sulcus, on the other hand, is the space between the hemidiaphragm on one side and the ipsilateral, or meaning same side, chest wall. The cardiophrenic and costophrenic sulci are important because in a normal chest X-ray, they need to be sharp. They need to be distinct. Unlike as what we can see in our second image over here, the right costophrenic sulcus and the right cardiophrenic sulcus are blunted. They are not sharp. They are blunted. And the most common cause for a blunted sulcus is a phenomenon called pleural effusion, which is simply collection of fluid in the pleural space. Now, a pleural effusion is by no means pathognomonic for blunting of a sulcus. There are other causes, possible causes of a blunted sulcus, such as emphysema or pleural thickening, but the most common cause of an indistinct or a blunted costophrenic and cardiophrenic sulcus is pleural effusion.